Chapter 6. A Trip to the Zoo. One day, my family and I go to the zoo. I am very excited. I love animals. We drive to the zoo in our car. The weather is nice. The sun is shining, and the sky is blue. When we arrive, I see many people. There are families and kids everywhere. We buy our tickets and go inside. The zoo is big. There are many animals to see. First, we go to the lion enclosure. The lions are sleeping under a tree. They look so big and strong. I take many pictures. Next, we see the elephants. They are bathing in a pool. I love how they spray water with their trunks. Then, we visit the monkey house. The monkeys are very funny. They swing from the branches and make silly faces. I laugh so much. My dad takes a video of them. After that, we go to the bird exhibit. There are colorful birds flying everywhere. I see parrots, toucans, and flamingos. They are so beautiful. I wish I could have a bird like that. We have lunch at the zoo. I eat a sandwich and drink lemonade. My mom packs a picnic. After lunch, we feel refreshed and ready to explore more. Next, we visit the reptile house. I see snakes, lizards, and turtles. I am a little scared of the snakes. They are long and slippery. My dad tells me not to worry. They are behind glass. I feel safer. Then, we go to see the giraffes. They are very tall. I love how they eat leaves from the trees. I try to take a picture of one. It looks at me with its big eyes. I giggle because it is so funny. After seeing all the animals, we go to the gift shop. I want a toy animal. I see a cute stuffed lion. I ask my mom if I can have it. She smiles and buys it for me. I hug my new lion tight. Before we leave, we watch the sea lion show. The sea lions do tricks. They jump through hoops and clap their flippers. Everyone claps and cheers. I clap the loudest because I love it. At the end of the day, we are tired but happy. We drive home and talk about our favorite animals. I tell my parents I want to visit the zoo again. They agree, and I smile. When we get home, I place my stuffed lion on my bed. I feel grateful for the wonderful day at the zoo. I can't wait to tell Lily all about it tomorrow. Chapter 7. A Rainy Day. Today is a rainy day. The sky is gray, and it is raining a lot. I cannot go outside to play. I feel a little sad, but I know I can still have fun at home. I grab my favorite book and sit on the sofa. I read about a brave princess. The story is exciting. I imagine I am the princess. I feel like I am on an adventure. After reading, I decide to draw. I take out my sketchbook and colored pencils. I draw a castle with tall towers. I add a rainbow in the sky. Drawing makes me feel happy. I love using my imagination. Later, I hear a knock on the door. It is my friend Lily. She has an umbrella. She says, "Can I come in?" I smile and let her in. We are happy to see each other, even on a rainy day. We go to my room and start playing games. We play board games and card games. It is so much fun. We laugh and talk about our favorite animals. I tell her about my day at the zoo. She wants to go with me next time. After playing games, We decide to bake cookies. We go to the kitchen and ask my mom for help. She gives us the recipe and ingredients. We mix the flour, sugar, and chocolate chips. The kitchen smells so good. While the cookies bake, we watch a movie. We sit on the sofa with blankets. The movie is funny, and we laugh a lot. I feel warm and cozy with Lily here. When the cookies are ready, we take them out of the oven. They are golden brown and delicious. We eat the warm cookies with milk. They are the best cookies ever. The rain continues outside, but we do not mind. We have a wonderful day together. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our cookies. I feel lucky to have a friend like Lily. At the end of the day, Lily goes home. I wave goodbye and feel happy. Rainy days can be fun with friends. Chapter 8. A Fun Birthday Party. Today is my birthday. I am very excited. I wake up early and jump out of bed. I am 11 years old today. My mom has decorated the house with balloons and streamers. I go to the kitchen, and my mom has a special breakfast for me. There are pancakes with strawberries and whipped cream. It is my favorite. I eat quickly because I can't wait for my party. My friends are coming to my party. I have invited Lily and a few other friends. I can't wait to see them. My mom helps me set up the party in the backyard. We have a big table with a colorful tablecloth. I help my mom make party hats. We cut and glue paper to make them fun. I choose blue and pink colors. I am so happy. When my friends arrive, we play games. We play musical chairs and tag. Everyone is laughing and running around. I feel so much joy in my heart. After playing, we sit at the table for cake. My mom brings out the cake. It is big and chocolate with pink icing. I blow out the candles and make a wish. Everyone cheers and claps. We cut the cake and share it with everyone. It tastes delicious. After cake, we open my gifts. I am so excited to see what I get. I open a book, a game, and a new drawing set. My friends are so thoughtful. After opening gifts, we have a treasure hunt. I hide small toys in the garden. The kids look for them. They run around and shout when they find a toy. It is so much fun to watch. When the party ends, I feel tired but happy. I say goodbye to my friends and thank them for coming. I feel grateful for all the love and fun. I hug my mom and dad. They tell me they love me and that I had a great party. I go to bed feeling happy and excited about being 11 years old. Chapter 9. A Trip to the Beach. Today my family and I go to the beach. I am so excited. I love the beach. We pack our bags with towels, sunscreen, and snacks. We drive to the beach with the windows down. The wind blows in my hair, and I smile. The sun is shining, and the sky is blue. When we arrive, I see the big ocean. The waves are crashing on the shore. I run to the water. It feels cool and refreshing. I splash water with my feet. My mom lays out the beach towels. My dad sets up the umbrella. I build a sandcastle with buckets and shovels. The sand is warm and soft. I decorate my castle with seashells. After building, I go swimming in the ocean. I feel free as I swim with the waves. I see fish swimming around. They are colorful and beautiful. I enjoy being in the water. After swimming, we have a picnic lunch. We eat sandwiches, fruits, and cookies. It tastes so good. We sit under the umbrella and watch people playing on the beach. After lunch, I collect seashells with my dad. We walk along the shore and look for special shells. I find a pretty pink shell. I want to keep it as a memory of this day. Later, we play beach volleyball. My mom, dad, and I make 2 teams. We laugh and play hard. I feel the sun on my face and the sand under my feet. As the sun begins to set, we pack our things. The sky is filled with colors: orange, pink, and purple. It is so beautiful. On the drive home, I feel tired but happy. I had a wonderful day at the beach. I close my eyes and dream of the ocean waves. Chapter 10: My Dreams for the Future. As I sit in my room, I think about my dreams for the future. I have many dreams. One dream is to be a veterinarian. I want to help animals. I love dogs, cats, and all animals. I want to learn more about them. I want to study hard in school. I know I need good grades to be a vet. I will read books about animals and science. I also dream of traveling around the world. I want to see new places and meet new people. I want to visit the mountains, deserts, and oceans. I want to taste different foods and learn new languages. One place I want to visit is Africa. I want to see wild animals like elephants and lions. I want to take pictures of them. I want to help protect them too. I dream of making a difference in the world. I want to help people and animals. I want to volunteer at shelters and rescue organizations. I want to be kind and caring to everyone. In my future, I want to continue drawing and painting. I hope to have my art in a gallery one day. I want to share my love for animals through my art. I also want to write stories. I want to write about adventures and dreams. I hope to inspire others with my words. As I think about my dreams, I feel excited. The future is full of possibilities. I know I can achieve my dreams with hard work and determination. I close my eyes and imagine my future. I see myself helping animals and traveling the world. I feel happy and hopeful. I am ready for my adventures.